Hi Dressed Cuties, Wayne here. Today we're going to draw Indigo from Rainbow Friends. So let's get started. To draw this cute monster, let's first start by drawing a big oval for the head. So I'm going to start by right here, just easier for my hand, and I'm just going to go up to create this ovalish circle. So I'm just going to draw this big curve all the way around. So my goal is to almost draw a circle, but it's going to be flattened out at the bottom. So I'm just going to try and make it a little bit ovalish, a little bit wider towards the sides. And bring it in. So something like that. And then I'm going to come down right about here, as if I'm completing a full circle, but at the bottom, instead of going rounder, I'm going to go flatter right here to end it. And connect. So that's why it's kind of like an oval, right? Then from there, now that we have this big head shape in, let's draw the eyes, which are big ovals. So I'm just going to find my center. So say about right here. This is the center of my oval. I'm just going to come to the sides a little bit so I make sure that I'm not going in the center, and just give myself 2 dots so I know where to start my eyes. Using these 2 points, I'm just going to start and draw a big oval right here towards the edge. So the head is basically just these 2 big eyes, about that big. So same thing on the other side. I'm using my points right here. Just going to drag this point across just so I approximate same height on the other side. And just like the other side, close to the edge. Just down. And complete it. There, so these 2 huge ovals inside. Then from there, now that we have this shape in, just come in here and we're just going to follow what you drew. So I'm just going to maybe come to the edge more on this side and leave a little bit more space on the other side. It doesn't look like it's fully centered, so I'm just going to put a little bit more space on this side. There, and I'll just shade this all in. If I'm wrong and this oval is like dead center, definitely do that. But it just seems like every picture I've seen looks like it's more towards the side. Okay, so same exact thing here. So just gonna give a little bit more space on this side. And just closer to the edge on the other side. And shade it all in. Okay, there, finally all done. Then from there, let's see here. Let's draw those 3 ear hair things that are spiking out of the head, right? So let's say about right here. I'm just gonna start about right here. And I'll just go up, round it off. It's kind of like the salamander, right? And bring it in. I'm not sure what these things are called, so I'm just going to call it ears or hair. And another one. And one more. So let me a little bit shorter. And bring it in. There. So I'm just going to do the same thing on the other side. So I'm just going to drag these points across just so I'm approximate. And same thing here. Just go up, approximate, same height, about right there. And right above the eye, so about right here. Bring it in. And then the next one. And one more smaller one. And bring it in. There. Okay, so then now we're done with the head. Let's draw the body. So I'm going to come about right here. We're going to center the body. So about right here and here. I'm just going to go ahead and draw a soft curve coming down. Almost like a line, but just give it a little bit of curve. And about right there, I'm going to angle it in towards the center. About right there, round this center off and go back up to connect. To draw the little body. Then on the top right here, I'm just going to divide it up with a curve right here. Now we're going to draw some very straight lines for these very long legs. So I'm going to come about right here. Very thin long legs. I'm just trying my best here to draw a straight line down. Just, let's see, approximately that long, and about here. Just want it nice and thin, very long legs. So it's all up to you how long you want to make your legs. I don't have that much space, so I'm trying to make it as short as possible. So say about right there. I'm going to go ahead and connect it. And then add these little feet. So same thing on this side. Just about right here. Down. Just have to look at my camera, make sure I'm going as straight as possible. And here. And once again, connect. And these little feet. There. Okay, and then for the arms, which are really long too. So let's come about right here. And we're going to end the arms almost at the length of the feet. I'm just going to give it a little bit of a bend. So about right here, we're going to bend them down all the way to say about right there. And let's just go ahead and thicken it up. So I'm making it kind of like the same width as the legs, about right there. Then I'm going to bend it out for thumb and come out for some fingers. There. So same thing on the other side, about right here and here. So let's go ahead, about right there, start to bend and bring it down to about right there. So I'm just going to drag a point across, so approximately where my thumb is going to end. There. So then now I can go back up, and all I need to do is thicken this. Okay, so then now let's go ahead and draw the fingers and connect. There. So I hope you love my version of Indigo here. I know I've shortened everything and made the head extra huge, but I thought that would make it easier to draw and extra cute. So I'm going to come right here and just put a heart right in the center. But of course, if you don't think that's very cool, then don't put the heart. But I wanted to make this my Draw So Cute Indigo from Rainbow Friends. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope I helped you today to make this fun and easy to draw along with me. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.